All right, we are in the Mardi Gras Casino, and we're gonna do a quick video tour. I will say my husband has noticed that some of these chairs are really falling apart. But we got Buffalo! I mean, look at these chairs. They are in pitiful shape. And over here, we got roulette, falling up, and blackjack. But the chairs are not in good shape. Wow. That's interesting. All right, piggy pennies. We got, what's that over there? Crazy money. 3-card poker, though.
Prime.
But yet, the chairs are really all falling apart.
That's pretty bad. Oh, somebody already has one reserved.
Dancing drums. Dynamite Dash. Little Shop of Horrors. People keep talking about that one. I don't know what that is.
I haven't seen that in last week.
Yeah, we'll have to. Ooh, and look at Buffalo.
Link.
All right. And again, with the chairs. I don't get it. So, we have some Wonder 4, which people like to play. Chris's game, he likes Ultimate Firelink. And Panda Magic.
Coming up on a technician.
Oh, we could win $200,000 on Heads Up Poker if I knew how to
play.
Yeah, I don't. So we got Coin Trio.
A whole bunch of different miscellaneous pennies.
I don't know. Oh my god, my favorite games.
So this is where pretty much all of our money will go.
Probably, actually. And they're betting the odds up so we win right here, yes.
If she doesn't put it in there, she's going to put it in there.
Oh, this is for Mike, my brother. Look what they got. And then we've got I Love Thinking Rich. That's good. Samurai, sorry. 888. And more Buffalo. Look at that.
And our morning tradition quick hits, but these have 4 screens. They're very expensive.
Oh yeah, that's not a cheap one.
I'm gonna cut you off real quick.
Dancing drums.
Aha. Casino tip and trick. They're getting these on more and more boats.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about going to the cage.
No, you stand in it. All right, so tell us how it works.
Well, put your card in. If you got money, you can take it out.
Instead of going to the cashier?
Yeah, instead of going to the cage, sitting in the cage for 6 hours, especially like the last night when it gets nutty, everything is here for you. It's so much easier, and I think you can use this one as an ATM now, because that might be
It's an ATM and a bill break.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Super time saver.
All right. We've also got Wolf Run. Not Roof Run. Dragon Link.
She didn't like that.
Yeah, Shannon liked that one. There's more Stinkin' Rich over there in the corner. And then
The rest of the casino junkies are scoping out what are we playing.
Wonder 4. Yes.
That's what I have.
Casino Wizards VIP. That is brand new.
Like craps, roulette, baccarat, and blackjack.
Oh. We got Wheel of Fortune.
Link.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling you. I know you did.
And then we've got Grand Wheel and Radiant Gems.
So now we're in the air quotes high limit. These are the dollar
These
slots.
are high limit. Okay.
Air
And
quotes. There's like 5.
out of service can't play, so who knows?
Blueberry.
Lightning Link.
That was the old school one.
Oh, and that's the one we like with the
Oh yeah.
cash.
When what you see, these were fun, too.
I dropped the phone. That's a good one. Oh my god. All right, Wheel of Fortune. Oh, sorry guys.
You're on the video. You'll be famous. Don't worry.
YouTube famous. All right. We are at the cashier.
And this is where you don't need to go, because that line, literally where she's about to shoot, will go all the way where those people are every day on a constant. Use the machines.
I forget what these are, but they got Locket Link there. And what are these? Bacon?
This might be the first time they're on the ship. They're installing them now.
All right.
Let's hope they work.
The ATM machine always pays, by the way.
Yes. Well, depends on the time of day.
Yeah.
Might have capped it out there.
Quick hits. There's a lot of quick hits.
Yup.
Quick
Super wheel.
which I don't think
Wow, which is Whip It Out Wednesday. Anybody from New York, New England area know what that means.
Firelink. And more dancing drums.
So I know we are now in the non-smoking section, which is the bulk of the casino.
Prosperity. I won't even begin to say that name. I think I showed Lock It Link before. You've got some wheel over there, some big what? Big Fi? Big Foo. Big Foo.
Foo. Cash bags.
Wolf
What's
Run.
even Foo? I gotta look into it.
Lock
There's
It
a
Link.
claw machine, which is so tempting. Ooh, look, they put the 500 right on top.
Are we going to take a break to play that?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Alright.
Almost.
Coin Trio. What is this? We got
Fortune 3D.
we got dancing drums over here.
Yeah, I feel like, yeah, I was just trying to find out. if-
More buffalo. Buffalo. We got a different kind of Wheel of Fortune.
The 3Ds.
Oh, Firelink again. Oh, 3D. Actually, 4D, Chris. Whatever that means. Huff and Stuff, Huff and Puff, Huff and whatever. Wolf Run Gold. And these I never heard of, but I'm sure people like them. Mr. Cashman. Yeah, more stuff. More Wheel of Fortune, 4D.
Quick Hit Platinum, one of our favorites. Fun little penny game.
Yes, we like the quick hits. More dancing drums.
Back section
Ah,
with all your video programs.
check it out. I thought this was high limit back here.
No, these are dollars over here.
I mean, this is not the high limit. Okay.
There's a non-smoke.
All right, I'm going this way. We got 777, Dragon Link. I don't know, Chris. These might be high limits.
These are, but they're non-smoking high limits. That's what I said. The other place was high limit smoking.
This
Here
is,
the chairs are
but
falling
this
apart.
is where we. Oh, the chairs are
Yeah, they're all
falling.
non-smoking. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
but-
where we hung out with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, was that the celebration?
That was
It was celebration.
Wow, look at these chairs. It looks like the boat sank.
Yeah. No, it was celebration.
Okay.
And then this is a little secret area.
Which is
Ultimate
awesome
Fire
video
Link. Yes, which is my favorite.
Still not smoking.
It is not video
That's cool,
poker
Sean.
anymore.
Huh? Yeah, there. There's the
Oh,
cool-
here it is. That is. Oh, and
cool
it's
bar.
like Brass Magnolia. What a beautiful bar. Up, Mike. More piggies.
Nope, not for Mike. These are non-smoking.
Oh. Lobster Mania. Link. Whatever that means.
Multiple machines higher.
Oh, progressives.
Yeah.
Lock It Link Riches. $25,000 Storm. That sounds like it's fun.
Wow.
We got, Buffalo Storm. And Wolf Run Gold.
Man, they got new ships. New ships on the ship since we got on the ship. Oh, look,
Heidi!
this one. That's a new one.
Heidi! That's my girl right there.
Oktoberfest house. That's a new one.
And-
Ooh, the gold with the spinny wheel. I love
Yes.
That one's actually quite fun.
Dragon Link. Platinum Quick Hits. Triple Coin Treasures. More Dragon Link.
Casino bar.
Casino Bar. Lucky Envelope. And I don't know. Coming up on
We're just passing the casino bar. There's a little hallway that connects the two non-smoking casinos. There's your host stand where they do all their nightly promotions and whatever's going on. This is a premier cruise, which means the casino will be basically unattainable. Tables to the right. And these chairs actually look to be in much better condition.
Yeah, it's so smoker. Oh, you know what? It was plastic.
Air conditioning.
It was plastic, and now it's
Yeah, these are fabric.
these are fabric. So they've changed it out. So we got Let It Ride.
Yeah, this is something you don't see in their casinos very often. Look to your right, Liz. With the camera.
Oh,
You can actually see right outside during the day.
yes.
So a lot of times they have the little itty bitty windows open, but this whole wall is glass, which is cool.
This is blackjack
Yep. Be careful what you play, because some have a 5 to 6 pay up. Most do.
versus a 3 to 2.
Yup.
Blackjack. Craps. Oh, crap.
Oh, the bathrooms are down there.
Oh, thank you. All right, heads up.
Jack,
Hold'em. We don't know how to play that one. But Chris knows how to play this one. 3 card. Prime. Oh, they're doing their muster drill.
There's a good thing.
Yes, I know. Muster drill is happening.